Hey music lovers and online earners, imagine getting paid for your passion. You can. In this video, I will show you a fantastic platform that pays you to review new music and get paid. You will earn approximately $20 every single day, just for reviewing music of songs, most especially new songs or new release. There is no investment required. All you need is a smartphone and internet connection.
Okay. Just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox. Okay.
In this part of the video, I am going to show you how this website works, how you can get started and earn as much as $20 daily from slicethepie.com. It's one of the oldest and most trusted get paid to review sites, used by record labels and artists who want feedback before releasing songs to the public. Imagine reviewing music for artists like Drake or Rick Ross. This is a mind-blowing opportunity. You don't need to be a music expert, just honest and consistent with your opinions. Slice the Pie connects you with emerging artists and brands. Your honest feedback helps them grow, and you earn cash for your valuable opinions. Getting started is super simple. Just visit slicethepie.com and click sign up. You can quickly register using your email or social media accounts. Once logged in, you'll receive tracks to listen to. Provide a thoughtful, honest review explaining what you liked or disliked, then submit it to earn. When you've accumulated enough, withdrawing your earnings is straightforward. You can easily transfer your cash directly to your PayPal account. For higher payouts, always provide detailed, constructive reviews. The more insightful your feedback, the more you can earn per review. If required, use VPN.